Hi there, this is a unboxing video of the K7 Karcher pressure washer. It's 2600 psi, it's 2200 watts. Just opened it up there, the box. You can see there's some manuals there. Very sort of basic manuals. There's a lot more info online through their site. You can register the product as well. There's also a separate manual on the T-Racer as well, which is that yellow thing next to the manuals, which has all different languages as well. So that's the T-Racer. That's the reason I bought this version. So it's good if you're cleaning paving because it won't spray all the sand up at you. It's got a central jet there, two jets there, and there's a forward jet as well to get into corners, and that's operated by those two buttons at the back, those grey buttons. There's like a brush around it as well to keep everything in there, it doesn't splat everywhere. I haven't used it yet, so I'll be interested to see how it works. I'll do some extra videos on that. The knob in the middle there does the hardness from hard to soft. So if you want more pressure coming out of the nozzle, that's how you adjust it there as well. And those two back switches does from the central to the pointer for doing like the corners if you want to get into nooks and crannies with it as well, so that's quite good. I've seen other videos on it, it seems to work really well. So can't wait to use that. So I've got a lot of paving to wash, and that's the best way. Here's a foam jet bottle, which you can put foam on things before you hose it down with the pressure washer. Not really sure how effective that is, maybe for washing windows, etc. But we'll see how it goes. That's the 3-in-1 multi-jet. Has a flat jet nozzle, a dirt grinder, and a detergent nozzle, which you switch around from. And then there's also the extension lance which is 400 millimeters long, which if you want to go to longer, maybe doing higher areas on the roof, or for the actual T-Racer as well, connecting to that. It's really well built, really strong. Here's a storage net which clips onto the back of the pressure washer. I think you can put the power cord in there. That's what I learned later. It's taken off the foam level. See the pressure washer in there. There's a wash brush. Feels soft enough to wash the car and you won't scratch the car too badly. But then again, watch a brand new car, just check and see. You don't want to put little scratches everywhere. And there's the 1 litre car shampoo that plugs into the pressure washer itself. There's a special caddy which it plugs into. You can meter out how much foam comes through the pressure washer when you wash the car. You can dose out in different amounts. There's another bowl of liquid there. It's the 1 litre stone and facade wash. Works the same as the car wash. For any stubborn stone work you want to clean up. I'm going to try washing without all those things, just see how it goes initially. There's a smart control gun. It comes with 2 AAA batteries already in it, and that controls the pressure levels, and you can also adjust it from the phone as well. You can adjust from a soft setting, which is for wooden surfaces, a medium setting for cars and bricks and surfaces, and a hard setting for solid stone. So it connects Bluetooth to your phone. Here's the actual pressure washer. It's about 18 kilos. It's reasonably heavy. Feels really well made. Doesn't feel like it's going to fall over if the wind blows it. It's pretty solid. So again, I said it's 2600 psi, which is quite powerful for an electric one. It's 2200 watts of power, so it'll burn through the power fairly fast. It costs around 1,200 at Bunnings. So it's got the car kit and the home kit all together. I've been looking at it for quite a while. It seemed like the best way to go. The whole package weighs 20 kilos. The power cord's 5 meters long, which is pretty long. It has a wheels on the bottom which wheels it around, but you have to tip it before you can move it. It's not like a trolley